Hello everybody, how's it going? This is Chris from Royal Honda, here to show you another tip on how to check your maintenance reminder and to see how much your oil life is at for percentage wise. This time in Motor Trend's best SUV of the year, which is the new CR-V, so your 2017, 2018 CR-V. So let me go ahead and show you how to do that. Now there's two ways of doing it, just like most other Hondas, but the first way we'll take a look at it. We'll go over to your big main screen over here. So if you come over this way, you're going to click onto that settings there. Let's see if I can make this work. And we're going to go to vehicle. Alright, so once you go to vehicle, you have two ways to get in there. You can scroll like this, or you can use the arrows. Oh, and you want to go to the maintenance info. Once you're in the maintenance info, it actually tells you your oil life, and as well as it tells you what service you have to do next, which in this case it is service A, which is just the engine oil. And if you want to, you can also reset it down there, as you can see. And we're going to check out the other way now. Now the other way to check it out is when you're over here, you got this screen right here, right? So you can change what you want to see on that screen by using your steering wheel. So, to do that, you need to use this button on your steering wheel right here. This is similar to the Civic, it's the same setup. So as you can see, when I push this button, you see now you got a couple different options there. Now what you can do is that you can push this button again to keep scrolling to the right, or you can use the arrows to keep scrolling to the right, or if you want to go back, you can hit the left arrow and it'll take you back. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the wrench. So once you find the wrench, as you can see there, we're going to click on enter. And there you go. And this is what your screen is going to show you. So get the phone in there. And what it says there is the same thing as what we saw on the other screen, which is that the oil life is at 100%. So it shows your maintenance or your oil life indicator. And as well as it says what service you have next, which is just an A service, which once again over here it says is the engine oil. So you might have some things that say A1 or A12, and you will occasionally see a B service, like a B1, B2. Now, those are very important to follow, especially, you know, with a brand new vehicle. You want to keep within your warranty, right? You want to make sure you're following the guidelines, and because that is actually very important to Honda's warranty guide. So make sure you guys are following that, and if you have any questions too, you can always give us a shout at 782-2262, or you can always go on our website at royalhonda.ca. And at the end of this video, which will be right now, I'm actually going to show you the Honda Canada maintenance schedule, so you know exactly what you should be booking for your car at what given time.